Go ahead and try this eyebrow. You guys can see right here, I have not that many hairs right there. That's like where I normally fill in. Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. I am trying out a new eyebrow product for you guys today. That is why my eyebrows are not done. My makeup is not finished because I am going to try this amazing looking weird product for you guys today. This is an eyebrow mousse. So let me go ahead and just read what it says.
This is by Revlon. It is in the number 402 Soft Brown. It is a ColorStay Brow Mousse. Style for a fuller, softer, defined look. This is a 24-hour wear.
Okay. So a mousse, we have tried gels and pomades and you name it, we've tried it, but I've never tried a mousse. So let's go ahead and open this up and see. Do we like it? Do we not? Is it worth your money? I don't know. It was a few dollars at my local Walgreens. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. Okay, so this is what the applicator looks like. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's two little slots right here that you can totally see through. Looks like that's where the product will come out. It is like this hard, almost like these hard little plastic bristles. So let's go ahead and just open it up and push the product through. So I'm just twisting it. And I'm twisting it slowly because I don't want too much product to come out. Okay, let me just, oh, there we go. Ooh, do we see that? I don't know if that's too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it on my hand to take any excess off and push it throughout the bristles. Oh, maybe not. Let me just, a little bit more. It's a pretty color. Very, smells like a little bit of a chemical smell. Very interesting. Okay, let's just go ahead and dive into the eyebrows. So it's already on here, as you guys saw. Let's see. I'm gonna push it a little bit more out. You guys can see it came out more. And I'm actually gonna take the sides of it coming out and push it directly onto the skin. So, like this. And then I'm gonna take the other side that has the product right there and do the end of the brow. Wow. I am super impressed. Let's go ahead and try this eyebrow. You guys can see right here, I have not that many hairs right there. That's like where I normally fill in. And then right here, there's sporadic throughout. You can see the product coming out. So that's 2 clicks. I'm turning it to the sides that have the most product on it. Wow. The bristles, they're hard. I'm gonna push it one more time. They're hard, so like if you get too much product in one spot, you can just like use those bristles to kind of like feather it through nicely. Wow, my eyebrows look really like full and thick. Now I'm gonna let them dry and see how they feel once they're dried. So when I feel them, it just kind of feels like they have the most lightest coat of hairspray on them. Very super lightweight, even like a light gel. But I would say just a little bit of hairspray, which is nice because they're gonna stay in place. But I think my eyebrows actually look fabulous. It lightened my brow. So I would actually say if you like darker brows, then go with the shade up. But I think this is actually quite becoming. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup. I will be right back. Hey guys, so as much as I love my eyebrows, I'm gonna have to darken them with a different color because when I got in the sunlight, this color actually picks up a tad bit of red and it looks a little, so if I scoot back, you guys can see like the red. So yeah, if you're like it just doesn't look right with my hair. So I'm going to darken it, but I do love the formula. I would just actually say get a darker color. Just a little. I think it's from the oil above that I touched. Okay guys, so my eyebrows look amazing. Now I told you I put a little bit of powder in them right there to cover the redness, but let's go ahead and run our fingers through the eyebrow and see, does it actually come off? So it looks like you just get a very, very small amount. Very, very small amount, but let's rub them up and see if it goes on the skin. Wow, it did not. It did not. Look at that. So I'm rubbing it up. That's my actual eyebrow. I rubbed really, really hard. So what I would say is it came up, yeah, no. That's actually really, really good. My eyebrows look good. They're still set in place. Like I said, the only problem I had was maybe I got the wrong color. But I would recommend this eyebrow product. And hopefully you guys recommend this video to your friends that need brow product. If I can find a link to it, I will post it down below. If not, I got this at my local Walgreens. I'm going to say honestly, like this is one of the easiest products I've ever used that you just brush it through and it pretty much goes on evenly. Like I said, the bristles are so hard on the brush that you kind of just push it through onto the skin and then feather it out. It was really super easy. I'm going to give this product a total thumbs up. Hopefully you give this video a total thumbs up. Hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos, and leave me a comment down below. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.